Ever find yourself with a few $100 million just burning a hole in your pocket? No? Well, I'm sure you've looked up the most expensive houses for sale online and daydreamed. No need to search any longer, we have made a list for you. These are the 5 most expensive homes for sale in the world. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new, don't forget to like the video, and leave us a comment telling us which one of these homes you would love to call your own. Kicking off our list, we embark on a fascinating journey into the realm of opulent real estate, where extravagance knows no bounds. Today, we unveil a truly remarkable property nestled along the pristine shores of the Pacific Ocean, a mesmerizing masterpiece located in none other than the iconic city of Malibu, California. Malibu has long been renowned for its coveted addresses and luxurious lifestyles, but this particular estate transcends even the loftiest of expectations. It sits on 5 acres and has over 250,000 square feet, as well as spacious light-filled lounges and formal zones for hosting, 16 bedrooms and 22 bathrooms. The pad is also kitted out with gorgeous outdoor living spaces for kicking back and enjoying the Californian climate. This massive estate has 9 structures in total, including a gym, beach cottage, guest houses, and a secret underground tunnel that connects your private movie theater to the swimming pool. And what beachfront estate would be complete without a private elevator that takes the owner down to their own personal strip of beach? Built in 2002, this compound was designed by Robert Stern and takes its cues from Tuscany and Spain. You can be sunning yourself by the pool in no time for a cool $200 million. If you prefer the warm tropical air over the Pacific breeze, then our next location is one for you. In sunny Palm Beach, Florida, this house stands out from the crowd, probably because the house sits on the only man-made private island in the area. This estate was built in the 1930s, but has undergone extensive renovations since, and further renovations are planned. Sitting on 2 acres of private island, you will find 11 bedrooms, 5 car garages, and 2 swimming pools. With its 21,000 square foot span, you will have plenty of room for your gym, wet bar, indoor spa, and personal hair salon on the premises. Once you step outside, you will be greeted with 360 degrees of waterfront, as well as your own clay-topped lighted tennis court. Once it's time to unwind, you can pour yourself a drink from one of your fully stocked bars and watch the sunset as you lounge by your full-size pool. If all of this seems like the perfect fit for you, then crack open that checkbook and be prepared to spend $218 million. Leaving sunny South Florida, we cross the pond to 28A Rutland Gate in London, England. Originally 4 separate homes during the 1960s, the houses were converted into a single property. Comprised of 7 stories and 45 bedrooms, this massive 60,000 square foot home has enough room for your family, friends, and their families, and friends, and then some. Although the property has been described as nothing special about it, the location is the main reason for the high asking price. 28A Rutland Gate is located in one of the most desirable locations in the world, Knightsbridge. Properties in the area average in the range of $18 million. It's also located next to the beautiful Hyde Park and a stone's throw from Kensington Palace, the residence of the British royal family. Plans are in the works to renovate the property, bringing it up to more modern standards. The renovations has an estimated cost of over $200 million, however the updates are expected to increase the property's value to close to $600 million. Add that to the fact that the land is expensive and hard to come by in London, it's no surprise that the massive estate has an asking price of $238 million and is only expected to rise in value from here. For our next spot, we are leaving the ground and soaring into the Manhattan skyline. Coming in at number 2 is the penthouse at Central Park Tower in New York City. And this isn't just one floor, you get the top 3 floors all to yourself. With 7 bedrooms and 8 full baths, along with 3 half baths, this penthouse boasts over 17,000 square feet of living space. Central Park Tower is the tallest residential tower in the world, and the penthouse lays claim to the highest personal residence along with having the highest outdoor terrace in the world at 1,400 feet above the busy Midtown streets below. This penthouse not only comes with a view, other amenities include a doorman, private elevator, 27-foot ceilings, and access to a pool, spa, and gym. However, living the high life doesn't come cheap. Estimated monthly taxes and common charges will cost you over $70,000 per month. Oh yeah, and on top of those charges, this penthouse will cost you a cool $250 million. Rounding out our list, we escape the city and discover the captivating allure of the Gateway Canyons Ranch and Resort, a tranquil retreat nestled amidst Colorado's mesmerizing Red Rock canyons. That's right, you can purchase your own resort. Gateway Canyons Resort and Spa is a full-service resort with 72 rooms that house guests from all over the world who seek a place to relax, reflect, and enjoy the nature. The resort sits on almost 7,000 acres in the basin of the Pine and Mesa and La Salle Mountains. And don't worry, you won't have to shack up with the rest of the guests at your new resort. The West Creek Ranch residence is where you will lay your head and wander the 22,000 square feet of indoor living space. This residence has 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and elevator. Because who has time to take the stairs? Along with a chef's kitchen, you also get a private theater, game room, gym, pool, and spa. And oh yeah, your own 5-car garage and helipad. Since you are over 40 miles from the nearest city, light pollution is not an issue, and you can see this firsthand in your own private sky observatory. All furnishings are included, and at the asking price of $279 million, you know they are all top-notch. These most expensive homes for sale in the world are breathtaking showcases of opulence and luxury. From the stunning beachfront mansions to secluded retreats, they represent the pinnacle of architectural excellence and unrivaled living experiences. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which house was your favorite.